Hi Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second and last Sudoku of today. It's a heavy Sudoku, so I think maybe I need this in 18 minutes, 90 minutes. I hope under the 20 minutes. Anyway, let's get started. Alright. Let's see. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 6, and 9. Yes, I see here 1 and 2, so no 1 and 2 in these three boxes. That means the 1 and the 2 should be here and there. I see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So now we have 3, 6, and 9, 3, 6, and 9. I see here 6 and 9, so no 6 and 9 here. 1 digit left, this is the 3. Here we have a pair, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Then 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be here. And then 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So in the column between, the only two places for 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. This big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 3, 4, and 9. I see here 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. I see here 3, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. And the 9 goes here. Then let me see, the 1, 8. We have here the 6 and the 9. The other two will be 5 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. And the 5 goes here. And then 3, 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for 7 is here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this third column. The missing numbers are 6 and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. The numbers are 2, 4, and 5. 2, 4, and 5. I see here 2, so no 2 there. I see here 2, so no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. and the 5 goes there. Then in this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. The 9, I see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. 8 and 5 are missing now. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this column. The numbers are 5 and 2. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. So we have a 2 in this row column. We have a 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this last column. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here a 1, so no 1 there. I see there a 1, so no 1 there. 1 place left for the 1 should be this one. So we have a 6 and 9, 6 and 9 left for the last column, 6 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left for this big square for the number 6. Then yes, these 3 missing numbers in the second column. The numbers are 4, 7, and 4, 7, and 6. 4, 7, and 6. I see here 4 and 7, so 1 digit left. That's the 6. Here we have a pair, 4 and 7, 4 and 7. The other 2, 5 and 3. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 5 and 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 9. 5. All right. 7, 6, 7, 7. Yes. And now. Yes, in the middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 there. I see there 1, so no 1 there. I see here 1, so no 1 there. There 1, so no 1 there. 1 place left for the 1 should be here for this middle column. Then 3 missing numbers. For the first row, the numbers are 3, 5, and 3, 5, and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there. I see here 9, so no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so in the middle column, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then 5 and 3. 5 and 3, 5 and 3. 6, 6, 2, and 8. 6, 2, and 8 are the missing numbers in this row. Here, the 5 and the 3. I can not fill this yet. 7. Then 1 and 4. The 6 should be here. Yes. The 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2 and 5, I remember, in this column, 2 and 5, that means 1 digit left for this big square, for the number 3, yes. We have a 3 there, and 5 and 2, 5 and 2, 5 and 3, 5 and 3, 5 and 3, 5 and 3, 4 and 7, 4 and 7, 6, 6, 3, 1 and 4, the 2 should be here. These 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3 is missing. Yes, the 3 is missing in the middle column. 3, 6, and 8. I see here 3, no 3 there. I see there 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be here. 8 and 6, 8 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here, 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in this column, the only 3 places for 6 is here, here, or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. I see here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 digit left for the first row for the number 5. 1 digit left for the first column for the number 5. 2 digit left for this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 digits left in the third row for the numbers 4 and 9. No. We have a 9. 4 and 7. 4 and 7. We have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 4. 2 digits left for this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. We have a 7 there. No 7 here. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for a 2 is here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 digit left in this row for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in this column, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. And 3. 2 digits left. No. 2 digits left for this row for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 3 goes there. 1 digit left for this column for the number 4. Yes, 4 is missing. 2 digits left for this big square for the numbers 4 and 1. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 here. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. So first I thought maybe 18 minutes. It seems 16 minutes. Alright, so I'm pleased. Anyway, thank you for watching for this Sudoku Heavy. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like, if you want. Download the PDF file so you can solve it by yourself. And rest me to say thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for a new edition of Sudokus. Alright, bye bye.